Hi everyone, my name is Diana. I'm 10 years old, and today we'll read Vertebrate, written by Kira Fred. Introduction. Not on your hand. The hot things you feel inside your head is bone. Bones hold your bodies. They also protect your brain, heart, and other organs. We saw animals into two groups. Vertebrates have backbones. Invertebrates do not have backbones. Let's learn about the five groups of vertebrates. What are bones? All bones are made of hard kind of body tissue. Skin and muscles are other kinds of tissue. Without bone tissue, your body would just be a big lumps. The bones inside your bodies are alive. Some bone cells help your bones heal if one breaks. Other bone cells make blood cells. These bone cells are found in special tissue in the middle of some large bones. The skeleton supports and protects our vertebrate bodies. All vertebrates have spine on backbone. A spine is like a chain of bones. At the top of the spine is the skull. It holds and protects the brain. The skeleton has 206 bones. Other kinds of vertebrates have different numbers of bones. The ends of many bones are covered with cartilage. Cartilage is soft tissue that keeps bones from rubbing against each other. Other body parts have cartilage too. Your nose and ears are made of cartilage. Joints and other places where bones meet. Different joints move in different ways. Cartilage helps these joints to move. Flipper. Human. Different bones have different jobs. Leg bones hold up an animal's while it walks or runs. Most fly vertebrates have hollow bones that do not reach mud. The small bones in feet and hands help animals to use tools and get food. Grouping vertebrates. Have you learned how vertebrates and invertebrates, the two big animals groups, are different? Now it's time to learn about the five groups of vertebrates. Each group has some things in common with other groups. Each group also has something special things not found in other groups. Mammals. When you think of mammals might be the first group that come to mind. Dogs, giraffe, whales, mice, people, and many other animals are mammals. What do all mammals have in common? Mammals have hair on their bodies, such as some animals, such as bears, have thin hair or fur. Other mammals, such as elephants, only have a little body hair. Mammals are warm-blooded. The body temperature does not go up and down much when the outside temperature changes. The Mammals breathe with lungs. The lungs are two breathing organs in the chest. Breathing injects an important gas called oxygen from the outside air. Breathing out lets a waste gas called carbon dioxide. Mammals make milk to feed the babies. Almost all mammals born live. They do not hatch from eggs that are laid. Birds. You probably know a bird when you see one. But do you know what all birds have in common? Like animals, birds are warm-blooded, but the only animals with feathers. Feathers are made of the same stuff as hair, beaks, and nail. Birds have wings instead of front legs. Most birds have hollow bones. Birds have beaks and they have no teeth. Birds use their beaks to eat, clean themselves, feed their babies, and find and move things. Some birds also kill other animals with their beaks. Like mammals, birds breathe with lungs. Birds lay eggs with hard shells. Eggs come in different sizes, shapes, and colors. Fish. Fish have backbones, so they are vertebrates too. Let's learn what all fish have in common. Fish are cold-blooded. The body temperature of cold-blooded animals changes with the temperatures of the air or water around the body. Fish are only group of vertebrates that live in water their whole lives. Fish have fins and strong tails for swimming. Most fish have scales. Scales are small, thin, hard plates that partly cover each other. Fish breathe with gills instead of lungs. Gills are breathing organs that take oxygen from water. Blood that passes through the gills lets out carbon dioxide gas into water. Most fish lay eggs, but some fish with backbone made of cartilage give birth to live babies. Reptiles. Reptiles are not a large group of vertebrates. Alligators, snakes, lizards, and turtles are all reptiles. Reptiles may live in water or on land. What do reptiles have in common? Reptiles have dry skin with scales. Reptiles are cold-blooded. If they are too cold, they sit in the sun to warm up. If they are too warm, they get in shade or water to cool off. Reptiles breathe with lungs. Most reptiles lay eggs, but their eggs are not as hard as a bird eggs. Rattlesnakes and some other reptiles give birth to live babies. Babies reptiles look like their parents from the time they hatch or are born. Amphibians. Amphibians are the last big group of vertebrates. Frogs, toads, and salamanders are all amphibians. Amphibians live in that place. Amphibians have smooth skin. Amphibians are cold-blooded. Most amphibians lay eggs that are covered with something like jelly. Most of the time, the eggs are laid in the water so they will not dry out. When the baby amphibians are born in water, they look different from their parents. Baby amphibians called tadpoles use fins and tails to move through the water. Most amphibians' body will change shape as they grow. They will lose their tail and may grow legs as they grow up and begin to walk on land. Most amphibians breathe with gills as they are tadpoles. As they grow and change, these amphibians lose their gills and grow lungs. Some amphibians also breathe through the skin. Comparing vertebrates. How are the 5 groups of vertebrates different and the same? Look at each group's description description in a chart on this page. Then match them with the pictures on the next page. Conclusion. In this book, you have learned how vertebrates, animals with backbones, and invertebrates, animals without backbones, are different. You have also learned about 5 groups of vertebrates. The next time you see animals, think about whatever they are, vertebrates or invertebrates. What do you have in common with the animals you see? And now it's just goodbye. Goodbye, we'll see you. Bye bye.